Bugs Bunny, Marvin the Martian. What could go wrong? Back by popular demand, the LeBron 18 low, Bugs Bunny, and Marvin the Martian.
Perfect.
Yeah, if you look at the numbers, the LeBron 18 low's been kicking, so I had to run it back for you guys. You already know what we're gonna do. We're gonna throw them on the turntable and look at all the detailing on these shoes, because they're kind of fire still. Anyways, let's head to the turntable, fam. Yeah. Alright, YouTube, let's take a look at these LeBron 18 lows. Toon Squad, you already know. Yeah, obviously this shoe seems to have a split personality, so we're gonna take a look at this upper and the Bugs Bunny colors. We're living in synthetic textile land, so what else do you expect but great textile? You got a pink Nike swoosh here. Yeah, I was a Looney Tunes fan, so what? It's the one show that's always on television 24 hours a day when I was a kid, man. It doesn't matter what channel you turn on to, at some point they're playing Looney Tunes, especially if it's a cartoon station. Now, even though I'm hating on textiles, this type of textile is actually very strong, durable, functional, and it's somewhat breathable. There is no real holes in this, but it does get the job done because the fabric's so light, but it helps to keep the shoe very light and very functional. Great ankle and heel support on the shoe. They kept it simple. This is definitely I would recommend this as one of my favorite ball shoes of the year, just in this model in general. This sort of binding tape they use, a little bit of a furry, hairy kind of a paint job to it. Obviously we got a big old carrot lace loop system here that's meant to symbolize all them carrots he be eating, and you have that same sort of hair pattern on the eyelets there, on the lacelets, and it's kind of a cool design, kind of a little bit of a cool pattern. They had to give Bugs something. You got that same gray rubberized kind of backing here to give stability. If you don't know who Bugs Bunny is, you're dead. If you don't know who Marvin the Martian is, you weren't a Looney Tunes connoisseur, so whatever, it ain't for you anyways. Go cop one of the other 18 lows. This isn't the first LeBron 18 low that I've reviewed, so make sure you guys go check out the other ones on the other channel. We got some crispy white laces with green and pink lace tips. You got your Toon Squad branding here on the tongue, and the tongue has that kind of a squishy memory foam kind of a deal going on with it on the inside. Speaking of, you got Marvin the Martian's eyeballs staring at you, and he's always angry. This man has anger issues, we already know. You getting your stuff from the same Acme code that Wile E. Coyote's getting his shit from. That's what happened to your space modulator. On the heel of the shoe, you got the spoiler, and it's there for aesthetic, and it does help to give some heel support there. And you got this big ol' Air Max 270-ish bubble with the orange inlay, and that's a pretty cool detail, man. These shoes do look very sharp. You have React in the forefront in this white. Underneath on the outsole, you have this very cool Volt-esque color. I'm not sure if it's 100% Volt, but LeBron James branding here in pink on the outsole, and this traction pattern, I like to call it a waffle. I think this is a waffle pattern, and it does its job. You do gotta wipe your heel, wipe the bottoms every now and then, but it's standard. You have your React branding right here on the inside of the insole of the outsole here. You got your React branding on the outsole here in pink. I do like how they put that in pink. Very nice detail. And right here, this makes me very angry. You already know that's Marvin the Martian's, well, one of his sayings, but that's one of his most predominant sayings. Man, he's always angry. He always got some kind of anger issues. Man always has some kind of weird gadget or something that's failing on him. That seems to be a common theme of Looney Tunes. There's always these failed gadgets and whatnot, but man, quality control, fam, quality control. And obviously here we have the Marvin the Martian side. You got the green, which is meant to symbolize his helmet, and this, I like this tape pattern, this kind of ray gun kind of technology, whatever, man. He's always in his gadgets and stuff. Moving on, you got your star pattern here, which is obviously very space-esque, and you have a Volt overlay on top of this black noob nubuck eyelet situation here they got going, and they just gave you a regular black armored kind of thing there. On the back here you got LeBron James branding and stitching, green, white, pink, and red, and you know, it's split down the middle. The interior of the shoe is neoprene and it's very comfortable. You do have some very serious cushioning here on the ankle, which helps to lock you into the shoe. The shoe has one of the best lockdowns, man. Once your foot's in here, it's not going anywhere. Helps to push your foot to the front, and you know, you can see your man Marvin the Martian in there chilling. I will pull these outsoles out so you guys can see them real quick though. All right, so here we have the insoles for the Looney Tunes Toon Squad, and basically, you know, you got Bugs Bunny here on the right and you got Marvin the Martian on the left. I think the colors on the Marvin the Martian are a little bit off. I haven't watched it in a while. I'm gonna have to run it back and see if those colors are correct, but you know, Bugs looks like he's styling there. He's standing all confident and whatnot. But yeah, man, these are basically, you know, probably that ortholite crap. These are very wafer thin, not much spring. They definitely ain't the Bordeaux from the last review, I'll tell you that much. It's not like a print on or anything. This is actually really on the fabric, so it is what it is, man. They're kind of hard to get out, to tell you the truth. They used a lot of glue on these suckers. Let's check out the other tongue here, because not both shoes are definitely not the same. That's like a Crooks and Castles kind of deal going on, but you already know what he's doing there. He got the pinky up. This guy's a snob. He's a carrot snob. You got the pink on the inside of this air bubble. They do a really good job of lockdown, and just in general, they're very stylish. Now, I think they should have done a colorway in just the Marvin the Martian by himself, because that part looks crazy. Obviously, you got the "What's up, Doc" for Bugs, because you know what else is he gonna say? He has a couple of sayings, but that's his main one. Yeah, I told you guys about the LeBron 17 cushion setup. People didn't want to accept it. The LeBron 17 had a wicked setup in the dog, you know, and that's the "What's up, Doc." That's when he's holding it like that, you already know what time it is. So Bugs always outsmarting everybody, and you got Marvin the Martian, who's just, you know, filled with gadgets but never can seem to get the job done, kind of like Wile E. Coyote. They gotta team up and get, you know, they gotta team up and put that work in. Like, anyways, oh, by the way, before I forget, these do come with some red laces, red Nike laces, and the laces are a bit different. They're not the flat laces like they have on the shoe. They're actually those the more circular style laces, the more rope style laces, but still a cool addition to them. I'm not sure how good they look on the shoe personally. I don't think I'd be adding that if it was me, but you see this? You see this? Yeah, free stuff. It's weird how they gave us a different type of laces too. You think they would have gave us the next flat one, but these are fire still. You know, super cool outsole design though, man. I love lifting up my foot and it's something crazy. But anyways, let's take a look at this box real quick. You know, they gave us the shipping box. You already know how I feel about this LeBron 18 box, man. How do you go from the LeBron 17 to the LeBron 18 box like this? But anyways, box reads LeBron 18 low, light smoke gray sunset pulse in size 8.5, because that's all that was left in the store. That's all that was left at House of Hoops. Suggested retail price $210 Canadian. Got the on foot coming up next. Let me know what you guys think of the Bugs and Marvin the Martian. Was this the best Looney Tunes shoe sneaker of the LeBron 18s? Which colorway did you guys think was the most fire out of the half and half LeBron 18 lows that they put out, man? Because they did so many. They did, you know, I already reviewed the Wile E. Coyote and the Sylvester and Tweety, so if you guys didn't see that, make sure you go check those videos out. And you know, we'll be back with another one, of course, man. You already know what time it is. Let me know what you guys think of the LeBron 18 low, Marvin the Martian, Bugs Bunny. Did you guys cop? And are you guys a fan of these? I know this is one of the most popular videos on my channel, so I decided to run it back for you guys. Might as well finish up the collection backed by popular demand. You already know we're gonna get to that on foot just now. Anyways, you guys liked them, I brought them. So that's the LeBron 18 low, Looney Tunes Toon Squad, Bugs Bunny and Marvin the Martian. Let me know what you guys think of these in the comments section, because some of these colorways were fire. Which one was your favorite out of the Toon Squad selection? Let me know in the comment section. Hit that like and subscribe button right in the throat for your boy. You already know how we do. I'm bringing back more fire, more heat for you guys this week. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of these, man, because it was hard to match the colors together. Luckily, I'm a weirdo and I got Volt clothes and all kind of stuff. So it is what it is. Let me know if you guys thought that these were hard to match, because they have that whole half and half bowling shoes type feel to them. But hey man, that's kind of fire still, you gotta admit. But anyways, let's get to the on foot so you guys can see what they look like before you spend your hard-earned bread. Retro God signing out.